Hey friends! Welcome back to Neeraj Singh Creative Design. Today I'll show you how to create an amazing dispersion effect in Photoshop in just 3 minutes. It's super easy, so let's get started. First, open your image in Photoshop. Choose a high-quality photo where the effect will look dramatic, like an action pose or a portrait. Now, use the Quick Selection tool or Pen tool to select your subject dramatic, like an action pose or a portrait. Now, use the Quick Selection tool or Pen tool to select your subject. Once selected, press Ctrl+J to copy the selection onto a new layer. Add a layer mask to the subject layer. This will allow us to apply the dispersion effect only to specific areas without damaging the image. Select the brush tool and choose a dispersion brush. You can download free ones from the link in description. Click on the mask and start painting gently. This will create the scattered dispersion look. You can adjust brush size for different particle effects. Duplicate the subject layer again, but this time invert the mask and paint in the opposite direction. This adds a nice balance and makes the effect look more natural. Now, adjust brightness, contrast, or add a gradient background to make the effect pop even more. And that's it. Your dispersion effect in Photoshop is ready. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, thumbs up, share, and subscribe bell to Neeraj Singh Creative Design for more cool Photoshop tricks.